we're getting there. I really feel it's starting to come together. No, not this bit. This bit is still an absolute mess. But the house, on the other hand, is really starting to look quite sharp. We've got a kitchen installer here. At the moment it's Saturday, so just finishing off. There's obviously our really big pile of wood, which is now making its way slowly to the carport. And the husband is valiantly digging a ditch for that blue pipe, which is our water mains. See, I hope you can see that. Beautiful ditch. All the way there. All the way there. And it just has to go around there. And down there. Okay, we're all working on the chain gang now. We're in. This is our channel. It's going up and along that, which is going to be the avocado bed. Comes down here, and then we'll basically go along the side of the house probably. So we're all at it. We've had a bit of a trouble with tree roots through there, but we had a false start going around the back of it and hit rocks, and then we had to come around the front and do the tree roots. Okay, so we're nearly in. We're not quite there yet. The builders are still around. I've got kitchen fitters and plumbers and electricians and everything, but we're almost there. We're moving in on Saturday, so, well, we're going to be camping in the back room just really so we don't have to pay rent anymore. But anyway, I'll show you around, show you what it's like at the moment. It's very exciting. Okay, so this is the house, and I've got a wide angle lens on now, which is rather cool. It was a birthday present from daughter number one to the husband, and it's coming in very handy today. So we have tiles in here now. There's still a whole heap of junk, but tiles. And you can see the conservatory now. Beautiful windows looking out to our not so beautiful garden. I'll just wipe my feet. And then this is our front door, which is now on, and the tiles are down all through the house. See, we're starting to get a kitchen in now, which is really exciting. The fridge is actually stainless steel. It's just still covered in its protective wrappers. We have some doors on, and you can see the walls are painted. There's little blue dots where there's damage. The painter's back now doing the architraves. But essentially the walls have been painted, so they're all really cool. This is my sewing room, full of junk. This is the dumping ground at the moment. And you can see here, I've got a really lovely view from my sewing room outside with lots of lovely light. And yeah, that's the ironing centre to go on the wall. Okay, you can see the range hood is in, again, stainless but covered in stuff. And this is our stove, which I've just been putting together today, which is really rather beautiful. So very excited about that. It's an induction cooktop. So it'll look nice when that's all put together. In the pantry now, the washing machine has arrived, and that we just need to get that sort of plumbed in. I need to do that tomorrow. And then up here, you can see the Zender unit is in. So this is quite a beast. It's got its inlet and outlet vents there, still covered in cellophane, then goes out through there. That's its first vent, and then it runs all the way along the bulkheads through the house, providing ventilation. Sorry about that wobble there. We've got some spotlights in, we're starting to get some lights in, and then through to the living room. And I think this space is really coming together now. So beautiful windows, the fire is in, it's filthy, but the hearth is tiled and the fire is in and fully functioning. We just need to kick it off and get it going. Lovely windows here, more bits of kitchen. So yeah, all very exciting, and the tiles are just super beautiful. Very expensive, very expensive. Not the tiles so much, but the laying. But worth it, I think, because they're lovely. So this is our master bedroom. And you can see we've still got to get the vent up there, but that's the ventilation system through there. And you'll notice we're missing some doors here. They're special order doors and they've not arrived yet, so we're moving in without doors. We won't actually be moving into this room. That's through to our ensuite, and the builder just finished putting together our really rather cool wardrobe today. I looked at the cost of getting fitted wardrobes and I thought, they're all a bit boring and they were all really expensive, so we did a sort of industrial solution, which was rather lovely. Just fitted the toilet seat, so that's ready to go. The bath is ready with its cellophane on. Hopefully it's not too dark. You can see our shower in there. It's a beautiful sort of rock sort of colour, which is really lovely. And yeah, and then this is the sink. We've yet to go to have tiles put on there. The light was put in today. So yeah, that's all starting to come together. And the paint there, which you see is just a bit different. I thought we'd do a feature wall in the hallway, I think, which gives it quite a nice pop of colour. Our internet is now connected, so the husband will be very happy about that. Obviously needs something to stand on, but it's fine for the minute. And this is our guest bathroom. We still need the shower glass to come. That might be a little later. Put that toilet seat on again today. And there's the basin for the guest bathroom. Looking rather smart. And we've got doors here, which should be good. And this is the room we're actually going to be moving into. Okay, so we've got some PowerPoints and things going in. And I think it's quite a nice colour in here. It's called Travis. It's sort of a mustard gold colour. The light's not brilliant at the moment, so it's probably a bit difficult to see. But they're just painting this one, the skirting first, so that we've got somewhere to move into. But yeah, very excited. So hopefully we won't have builders for too long when we move in, but yeah, we will be sharing our space with painters and hopefully not kitchen fitters. Hopefully they'll have finished. But yeah, we won't have a sink. We're going to have a stainless steel bench top on there, but they have to come and template it when that's finished, and then they have to go and make it. That takes 3 weeks, and then they have to come back and put it in, and once that's in, then they can they tile, and then when they've tiled, the electrician to come back and put the PowerPoints on. So bit of a mish for that, but we'll get there. But I think it's all coming together rather nicely. Anyway, probably the next video I will shoot, we will be in. All I've got to do now really is address that. That is the garden. Yeah, that's for another day, I think. Okay, well, I'll leave you there and see you next time.